Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick 10-minute workout routine that you can do at home, perfect for beginners who are just starting out on their fitness journey. This routine will help you get your heart rate up and burn some calories, all while toning your muscles. So, grab a mat and let's get started. Step 1. Warm up, 1 minute. To get your body ready for the workout, start with some basic warm-up exercises such as jumping jacks, squats, and lunges. Do each exercise for 20 seconds, and repeat the cycle for 1 minute. Step 2. Push-ups, 1 minute. Push-ups are a great exercise to work on your chest, arms, and shoulders. Start with 10 push-ups, and repeat the set for 1 minute. Step 3. Squats, 1 minute. Squats are a great way to tone your lower body muscles such as glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Do 10 squats, and repeat the set for 1 minute. Step 4. Plank, 1 minute. Plank is an excellent exercise to strengthen your core muscles. Hold the plank position for 30 seconds, take a 10-second break, and repeat the set for 1 minute. Step 5. Lunges, 1 minute. Lunges are another great exercise to work on your lower body muscles. Do 10 lunges for each leg, and repeat the set for 1 minute. Step 6. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Jumping jacks are a fun exercise to get your heart rate up and burn some calories. Do jumping jacks for 1 minute. Step 7. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Mountain climbers are a great exercise to work on your entire body, especially your core and arms. Do mountain climbers for 1 minute. Step 8. Cool down, 1 minute. To finish the workout, do some cool down exercises such as stretching, walking, or light jogging. Take a deep breath and relax. Outro. And there you have it, a quick 10-minute workout routine that you can do at home. Remember, consistency is key, so try to do this workout at least 3 times a week, and gradually increase the intensity and duration as you progress. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more workout routines, and I'll see you in the next video.